Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and here we have the nemesis of every fruit tree, the parakeet. Those things are so loud that it's even hard to film a video here. Well, I'm on the beautiful island of Tenerife, which is overrun with exotic parrots. Yeah, and why do I have the exotic parrots on a fruit channel? Well, no matter what fruit tree you are trying to harvest, there is a very good chance that they've been there before you. Yesterday I wanted to harvest some lily pillies. The tree was picked clean. Around here there are little ornamental figs which are actually quite tasty. They eat them all the time. Those date palms, if you think you're gonna harvest some dates, nope. Yeah. Tamarinds, yeah, they love unripe tamarind seeds, so they get them long before you do. And here is their headquarters. Dozens of those huge nests in this group of tropical figs. Well, this is the monk's parakeet, one of the most common one on the island here. We also have the ring-necked parakeet, but the ring-necked parakeet usually nests in holes, like in holes in trees and holes in buildings and so on, while the monk's parakeet makes those huge nests. There are just a couple on this side of the tree, but if you look on the other side, which unfortunately is in the shade, there are dozens more of those giant nests. Well, why are those parakeets on Tenerife? When I made videos about the ring-necked parakeets in Germany, somebody said, oh, but they are part of nature, let them be. Well, they are part of nature, but in other parts of the world. Not in Germany and definitely not in Tenerife. However, the subtropical climate of Tenerife and the fact that the oldest and most famous zoo on the island is called Loro Park, literally parrot park, and there's a big parrot collection, pretty much explains why we have such a big parrot problem. Well, in other places we often don't know where the invasive parrots come from. Usually they escape from some little private collector. Here on Tenerife we know pretty well where most of them come from. They escape from Loro Park. And they are a pest, man. They are so common in the cities and tourist resorts. I mean, for normal tourists, the impact of the parakeets is not so big. Yeah, they see green parrots flying around. Yeah, we are on a subtropical holiday island. Why shouldn't there be parrots? But if you're into fruit, you suffer from them every day. It's January right now, in a very bad fruit year. So the worst time to find fruit anyways. But with those things, it's almost impossible. It's not that I wish anything bad would happen to them, but I kind of wish they would stop eating fruit. Let's try and get closer to them. I think I can. I started the video on this side to show them to you in the sun, but I think I can go around and stand right beneath the nests and show you those things a bit more in detail. It's really amazing what the diversity of fruit they eat, and I think in most cases they seem to target actually not the fruit but the seed. Well, doesn't matter, the fruit is destroyed anyways, no matter which part of it they are targeting. Here they are, loud, fighting all the time, screeching around, eating my fruit. Look at them. Yeah, definitely monk's parakeet and not ring-necked parakeet. They look like monk's parakeet. I mean, ring-necked parakeet are very similar, but still there is a difference. Huge big nest they have made here. Oh, a couple more there, and here a lot of them sitting around their nests. Well, folks, yeah, those were the monk's parakeets, an invasive species of on Tenerife, which is destroying pretty much all the diverse fruits we have here. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Tenerife. Hopefully fruit videos and not fruit eater videos. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.